up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Today we've got another build for you. This time it's a 2025 Subaru Outback with the Wilderness package. This was an absolutely huge build, so let's get on with it. This is the 2-inch Ironman lift kit. We did opt for the heavy duty springs so that way if the customer does opt to get a rooftop tent, he's not weighing the vehicle down too much. We usually go with this kit because unlike a lot of the competitors, this one actually comes with the new shocks and the new struts, whereas most of them will just come with a spacer. Now we went with the 17-inch Method 502s. These are the Rally in the bronze colors. This is a plus 38 offset. That plus 38 offset does tuck these wheels and tires underneath the vehicle a little bit too much for my liking, so I did go with the Perrin spacers. These are going to be a really nice spacer. They are hub centric. They do come with extended lug studs so that you can still make sure that you're getting enough thread on there. These are a 15 millimeter, so that basically makes the effective offset probably around a plus 23. So if you are wanting to do this build, but you're not wanting to go with a spacer, rather you would go with a wheel, then aim for that kind of plus 23 area on these 8 wide wheels. Now the tires are going to be the 245/65/17. They are the Toyo ATIIIs. This is a great snow tire. It's going to be a good 365 day a year tire, and they do age well. A lot of the tires that are going to be available in this size range for these light overland builds, they're not going to age well. They're going to become noisy as they go. The siping doesn't really hold up very well, and we wanted to make sure that this customer got everything out of these tires, whether it's the first 30,000 miles or the last 30,000 miles. Up front we have the Designs Fabrication light bar. We did pair that up with diode dynamics. 4 of these tube lights will have 2 floods and 2 spots so that this customer can see in both zones as he is getting off-road or even setting up camp. Also out back we did do the Designs Fabrication's Molle panels. This does come with a shelf, but we opted to just send the customer home with that as he had to get his bicycle into the car since he is out of state. Up top is going to be the Prinsu rack with the standard fairing. You can get one that will accommodate a 40-inch light bar. However, we went with this one just to decrease the noise up top. And then out back, we added the Kurt hitch. This customer might put a swing arm back there for the spare tire, but for now we put the spare tire up on top of this rack. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna see you in the next video.